Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another No BS video. Today's video, we're going to install a dumb doorbell. This is kind of a dying art here, so let's get started. I have some wires that are coming out of my house, and I'm going to clean up this little connection here, cut off some of this thread, and show you guys how to do this. So a dumb doorbell just requires the transformer that's already inside. I'm not going to cover that part. That part is going to be done by your electrician, because we're not going to do that on the channel, but I'm going to show you how to replace your doorbell. So I found this one on Amazon for about 15 bucks, and the company seems to be pretty responsive. I think they're a little handmade outfit. I'll put a link down below, not sponsored video. It's got two contacts on the back that are brass. It seems to be very good quality. It's pretty hefty. It's got some good action on the button. And what we're going to do, what I've done here is I've stripped the wire back on this side and this side here. I have my breaker off in the panel, so you guys know. And what we're going to do is connect the wires to either side. It doesn't matter which side you do it on, it's just a contact switch. So the only thing this switch does is when you push it, it joins the two contacts together and it makes the circuit. So technically, if I joined this to this right here, it'll ring the doorbell. So let's go ahead and get this going here. So here's the connections, one on one side, one on the other. Test it. Working. Now we just got to put it in, mark the holes, drill, and this is a concrete wall, and we'll get it attached. So I've marked two holes where the two little holes line up here. I'm going to drill those out. So I got these little concrete anchors. They go into the hole like this. Okay, ran the screws in. Looks pretty nice. Let's see if it works. All right, guys, that's how you install a dumb doorbell. 2 screws, 2 wires, done deal.